Hello and welcome to our overview. Let's be honest. You want more money and you need more money, and you're not alone. That is exactly why American Bill Money was created. Since 2003, for over 22 years, we have been perfecting one of the simplest and most reliable ways for everyday people to build a steady residual income from home. Today, many in this industry recognize American Bill Money as one of the most reliable and proven residual income systems available. While numerous similar programs have come and gone, often attempting to imitate what we've built, few can match the stability, credibility, and long-term track record that define our organization. If your goal is to find an income opportunity that is affordable, simple, and designed to deliver lasting results, you are in the right place. With our system, there's no selling, no phone calls, no complicated technology. Just a solid system with huge potential. And now everyone earns a 100% fast start bonus, which is $50 paid on all referrals. Let me repeat that. We pay a 100% fast start bonus, which is $50 on all referrals. Think about this carefully. Can you afford $50 to get started? Can you spare a few hours a week to advertise by mailing out postcards, handing out flyers, or marketing online? If you just answered yes, this is probably the opportunity that completely changes your life. If you want the best bang for your buck in an income opportunity, you've found it here. Our mission is to help you earn as much money as possible. With that said, here's how this works. Our new $50 subscription is affordable for the masses to be able to say yes and participate in our system. No computer or any special skills are needed. All you do is send our beautiful full-color invitation postcards, flyers, or drop cards in your spare time, and interested people will take a look. We handle all the questions, all the sales, the follow-up, order fulfillment, and customer service. You never have to explain anything. You never have to speak to anyone or do any selling ever. You can remain completely anonymous. Basically, all you do is advertise with our invitations and we do everything else. You'll get paid for everyone on 3 levels of subscribers as long as you stay active. You will receive 50 fresh leads each month of opportunity seekers and buyers on peel and stick labels that you can use to send your invitations to. Additional leads are available if you want to do more. You'll receive our camera-ready, personalized invitation flyer. You will also receive our money-saving coupons that can get you 1,000 of our beautiful invitation postcards for half price or even free. You'll receive samples of all of our literature and marketing tools, also tips and suggestions that will save you time and money. Our incredible system provides unlimited residual income potential for everyone, and it's as simple as this. For every person who joins from your invitations, you receive a 100% fast start bonus, $50 paid directly to you. In addition, you will earn $10 in monthly residual commissions for every active referral. But your earnings do not stop there. You also receive commissions on your second level, which are the people your referrals bring in, and on your third level, which are the people your second level bring in. This structure allows your income to build naturally as your network expands. Some people will refer a little, some will refer a lot. The possibilities are truly endless, and the potential should get you excited. Think about this exciting scenario. Imagine you refer just one person, and that person refers just one person, and that person is a hotshot and refers 1,000 people. Guess what? You'll earn over $10,000 a month if that happened. And with our proven system, it is definitely a possibility. Again, it really is this simple. Can you imagine yourself being able to refer just 5 people to our system using our professionally designed marketing materials? If you can, don't you think each of them can refer just 5 people each? And don't you think those people could each do the same? Our 100% fast start bonus makes this easy to accomplish. If this went no further, you would be earning $1,500 a month profit. That's over $18,000 a year from a little spare time effort. Check this out. If you and your group each refer 12 people, your annual income potential rises to over $250,000. Imagine what all that extra income would do for you and your family. You discovered American Bill Money for a reason. You saw something genuine, a simple and affordable way to create income without unnecessary stress, complexity, or selling. That is exactly what American Bill Money provides. It is accessible, straightforward, and it just works, as it has for more than 2 decades. Take action now. Your startup cost is only $50. You receive 100%, $50 for every personal referral. You build monthly residual income. ABM handles all the back-end work for you. Join today and allow American Bill Money to begin working on your behalf. And consider this carefully. Each day you delay is one more day you are not building income. This system is already generating results for many others. It can begin producing for you immediately. We've made it extremely affordable and easy for the masses to get started, and easy for anyone to do in just a few hours or less of their spare time each week. This system has already created lasting income for many people. We would be honored to help you do the same. The bottom line is all the money you can stand is available through our unbeatable proven system. I strongly encourage you just to say yes and join us today, because I know you're going to love doing business with us. We look forward to working with you and helping you earn more money. Thanks for watching. You were invited to this video by Russ, ABM customer number 6126. Go to doabm.com/6126 and get started today. Remember, each day you delay is one more day you are not building income. So don't procrastinate. Take action today and start building your residual income. Again, go to doabm.com/6126 and get started now.